Hello everyone. In this video, I'm presenting HospitalDB, a simple Android app that stores basic hospital patient records using Firebase Realtime Database. This project is built in Kotlin and it demonstrates how mobile apps can communicate with cloud databases in real time. What this app does. This app performs few essential functions. It lets us add new patient records. It stores those records in Firebase. It allows us to view all stored patients. And it updates automatically because everything is synced in real time. So why did I build this app? I built this project mainly to learn how Firebase works inside Android apps. I wanted practical experience with real-time syncing, and I also wanted to simulate a small hospital data system. This app helped me understand the full workflow of writing data, reading it back, and keeping it updated. The technologies used are simple and beginner-friendly. Kotlin for the Android code, Firebase Realtime Database for cloud storage, and XML for the UI layout, and the Firebase SDK to connect everything together. This app is structured in three main parts: the main activity, which contains the UI logic, a data class that represents each patient record, and a Firebase Manager, which handles reading and writing data to the cloud. Firebase listeners keep the app updated whenever new data is written. Adding a patient. When adding a patient, the app collects fields like name, age, medical condition, and admission date. As soon as we press save, the app packages the data and sends it directly to the Firebase, where a new entry is created. The Firebase connection. Behind the scenes, Firebase stores the data as JSON. Each patient's entry is given a unique ID, and all the configuration comes from the Google Services.json file. Any changes in the database appears instantly on the app because Firebase updates in real time. Viewing data. The View Patient screen simply reads all the entries from Firebase and displays them in a list. If someone else adds a record or if we add a new one, the list updates automatically. The database structure is very simple. Inside the main hospital node, there is a patients node. Each patient has fields such as ID, name, age, condition, and data. Some of the challenges I faced while making the app were setting up the Firebase for the first time, doing the JSON data mapping correctly, and resolving the read or write bugs caused by small mistakes in the data path. Overall, it taught me a lot about debugging Firebase apps. What's clean about this project is the minimal UI, the clear separation between logic and data, and the simple Firebase rules. It's beginner friendly, but it still shows how real apps talk to a cloud database. Future improvements for the app. If I continue this project, I would add an edit and delete feature, searching and filtering. I would also include authentication, so different users have different permissions. Eventually, I might even migrate the database to Firestore for better scalability. This app can also demonstrate the principle of least privilege. For example, doctors could have full access. Nurses might only add or view data. Admins could manage user accounts, and the public would have no access at all. This keeps sensitive hospital data secure. So when I open the app, it shows all the patients that are already saved in Firebase. These records are loaded in real time, so whatever is in the database appears here immediately. Now I'll add a new patient. I go to the Add Patient screen, and here I have all the custom fields I created. I'll enter the patient's details, name, age, disease, and any additional notes. All these fields are linked to Firebase, so the data is stored in the cloud the moment I save it. Once I press save, the app sends the data to Firebase, so you can see the new patient appears instantly on the list. Now I'll show deleting a record. If I tap delete on this patient, the app removes the entry from database.
and the UI updates right away. So this demonstrates the basic CRUD operations, creating, reading, and deleting patient records, all connected to Firebase in real time.
Thank you for watching.